Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to install color changing lights. So what we've got here today is a Kasa smart light bulb. This is a Wi-Fi smart light bulb that can be controlled with your phone and has millions of different color options. So this color changing light is very simple to install. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that we have the power off to the existing light bulb or light fixture that we're going to be working on. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure the power is off and then remove the existing light bulb. Now to install color changing lights, all we need to do is go ahead and screw in the new Kasa Smart TP light bulb. So go ahead and screw that in, and all we're going to do is turn the power on. So we turn the power on to that, and I'm just going to cover this up so that the camera doesn't lose its clarity and focus there. And you can see the light bulb is blinking underneath there. That means that this smart light bulb is ready to be installed on the Smart Light Switch app. So in order to do this, you're going to need to download the Kasa Smart TP Link app. So I've already got the app installed. You're going to need to then sign up for a username and password. And once you do that, just open up the app and you're ready to go. So we're at the point that we're ready to connect our color changing light bulb to the app. Now that we've got power to the light bulb and it is on. So I'm in the app for the color changing TP Link light bulb, and all I need to do is go ahead and click in the upper right on the plus symbol. Now it says, what device would you like to add? And I'm going to say device. We've got different options here for connecting the color changing light to the app. So we've got cameras, smart plugs, and smart lights. We're going to click on smart lights. We have a smart bulb, so that is what we are going to connect. This particular smart bulb is the KLLB 100 series, so it's the top one right here. We're just going to go ahead and click on it. It says install your smart bulb. We've already done that, so we can go ahead and click next here. It says power up your smart bulb. Wait about 5 seconds until the smart bulb blinks 3 times, which it has already done. So we're going to go ahead and click next here. It says connecting to the smart bulb. This might take a few minutes. So this particular smart light bulb does not require any kind of a hub. This is a Wi-Fi smart light bulb. Now we're going to go ahead and click the Wi-Fi network that we are using and enter the password. I've entered the password and just go ahead and click join for the wireless network. And you can see that the light bulb over here is changing colors and it is being connected. Now the app asks us to give our color changing light bulb a name. So we're just going to call this one lamp. Now we can choose an icon for our color changing light bulb. So I'm just going to go with this top one here and click save. It says, congratulations, you've configured your smart bulb and it's ready for use in your device list. So I'm just going to go ahead and click sounds good here. Now it's asking us to update the firmware for the smart light bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and click update now. Now the smart light bulb is up to date and I go ahead and click done. Now we've got the smart light bulb connected and I'm going to show you how you can change all the colors with these color changing lights. Now in the app, I can control the light by clicking on it and turning it on and off. Now, if I want to change the colors, I can click at the top and choose some quick colors here. So I've got blue there, we've got green, red, and some other color combinations. Now, you can choose between millions of different colors with these smart light bulbs, and it's somewhat hard to get this on video with the color changing lights. But as you can see, as I rotate, the light will actually change colors between all these different color combinations. So green, blue, red, pink, purple, and anything in between. And we can go across and back over and choose whatever one of the millions of colors we want for our smart light bulb that changes color. Now within this app, you can also change the brightness, turn on and off the smart light bulb, or just go back to a standard white color there like we did. Now I can go and adjust the brightness down and go down to, let's just say 8% here. And then I can go back to choosing colors for my color changing light bulbs. So that is how you install a color changing light bulb or install color changing lights. We hope you enjoyed this video. We'll have a link to this TP Link Wi-Fi smart light bulb below. It does not require any kind of a hub and it connects directly to your Wi-Fi network so that you can have color changing light bulbs without any kind of a hub. So if you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to support us, click on any of the links below. Thank you.